Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp. This is a useful feature that allows you to customize the message your subscribers see after they opt out, helping you maintain a professional brand experience even as people leave your list. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to access your account. Click on the login button and enter your account credentials to sign in. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your email campaigns and audience settings. Now, from your dashboard, look for the left-hand menu and click on the item labeled Audience. When you click this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Audience Dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view and manage all the details about your subscribers and their interactions with your emails. Once you're in the Audience dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a button that says Manage Audience. Click on this button and an expanded menu will appear with various management options. From this menu, click on Sign Up Forms and then choose Form Builder from the submenu. This will take you to the area where you can access and customize various forms and pages related to your audience management, including the unsubscribe success page. Inside the Form Builder, you'll notice a drop-down menu near the top of the screen. This menu is often labeled Forms and Response Emails. Click on this drop-down and from the list of available options, select Unsubscribe Success Page. This is the specific page that subscribers see after they've successfully unsubscribed from your list, and it's where you'll be making your customizations. After selecting the Unsubscribe Success Page, you'll see the default page appear on your screen. Click on this page to open the editor. The editor gives you full control over the content and layout of what your former subscribers will see, allowing you to leave them with a positive final impression. Within the editor, you'll see various text blocks that make up the unsubscribe success page. Click on the text block you want to modify. This could be the thank you message, guidance text, or any other written content on the page. Once you click on a block, you'll be able to edit the text directly, changing the wording to better reflect your brand's voice and messaging. If you need to modify another section of the page, such as links or buttons, simply click on a different block. Each element on the page can be individually customized, giving you complete flexibility in how you design this final touchpoint with your audience. Once you've finished making all your desired edits, click the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, you can exit the editor, and your customized unsubscribe success page will now be live for anyone who opts out of your mailing list. And that's how you edit the unsubscribe success page in Mailchimp, giving you control over the last message your subscribers see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.